We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Jessie Raeburn for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
Gosh, you look good. Oh, I don't know about you, but tiles get me excited, particularly these Encaustic terrazzo handmade tiles. We always get asked, what's the one thing if we could do the block again that we would change? And I have to be honest, we would have put these at the front of our house. I absolutely love them. They add such life and personality to any entrance. It's quite a remarkable process that it goes through to make just one of these tiles. Each of the stencils has been hand laid and then compressed under 100 tons to make sure it lasts a lifetime. Get excited, Mel, we're about to embark on another great wall of tiling.